Hey guys, today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the Aolong Mini. So here's the actually quite old box. There's Felix on the top. Go around the box. We've got the mechanism. And at the bottom here we've also got the YJ symbol because Mo uses the YJ factories. Let's get my butter knife to open this. Here we have this thing. Just going to open that real quick. There we go. There's all the OLL and PLL algorithms. And there's some people there. So here's the Aolong. I'm going to open this using a blunt knife. There we go. And where's the thingy? There we go. So here's the Aolong. Feels a little looby. I'm gonna wipe it down, as I do with most of my cubes. The shades look pretty standard for YJ and Moyu. This is obviously the Mini, so it feels a little small in my hands. Going to be using this for practicing OH. Let's go into some first turns. Okay. So it feels pretty dry, really needs to be lubed. And tensions seem to be pretty even, although they are actually not all that tight, but the cube just feels really dry. So for first turns it feels pretty nice, pretty much what I expected. My cubes don't really come all that lubed. Let's take a look at the mechanism if we can. There we go. So here's the mechanism. Looks pretty simple. Seen the Aolong mechanism before. This is just the mini version. So yeah, not much else to say, except for corner cutting. We'll get onto some corner cutting. So straight out of the box it has 45, over 45 in fact. So that's front corner cutting. Let's try some reverse. So it can do nearly a QB, like just under 1 QB right there. But I'm sure with proper tensioning and lubing, that will be able to get 1 QB easy. So I'm actually quite impressed by that corner cutting, seeing as though this is just out of the box. Can't wait to start using this. I am going to set this up and do a review on that, so please watch that. And that brings me to the end of the video. So I'll just do a quick solve here. Okay. Okay, there we go. So, it feels pretty good out of the box. Corner cutting is actually really impressive. Please stick around for the review. That will be up sometime, I'm not sure when. Check out my website, I'll leave a link to that in the description. And please subscribe, comment, like, and I'll see you in my next video.